Alright guys, welcome back. In this very video we are going to work on the suggested videos and also the comment section in this very video. So in our last video we were able to work on the subscribe functionalities. Users can subscribe and users can like videos and all sorts of that. Yeah, so what I did off camera, I just created one more channel and uploaded more videos. Alright, you can see we have coding professionals and Python programmers. So what we're going to do now, we are going to work on,
in this video,
recommend the suggested videos. Alright, so for this there are a couple of ways we can actually handle this. We can decide to maybe make our suggested videos with highest number of view, or maybe the highest number of most popular videos, or probably videos that has more like and all that. We can use those features to fit our videos, but I think the best way is for us to get similar videos. And the way we can do that, I remember when we sometime in our project, I think in our model, when we created the channels model, we created a category relationship with a category model. Alright, so I think the best way is for us to get similar videos, or videos that belong to the same categories of channel. In that case, if someone is watching a programming video, suggested video will be videos that are also related to programming, because the channel is about programming. So other channels that has programming videos, we have their suggested videos by the side. And I know there are other ways you can do this, but this is what we are going to use, so that when you are watching maybe videos relating to food, your suggested videos will be videos that are also relating to food, because the channel is about food. So definitely we will fetch videos that also have that belong to the channel category of food and things like that. So that's what we're going to do now. So yeah, in the video watch page, yeah, so first of all we are going to get the category that this particular video belongs to, that is the video that is currently displaying. So to get that, it's very easy. We just get it from our object. We can say vcat, create a video vcat, and set equals to the video object that we get from the get object of 44 dot channel, which will give us the name of the category that this particular video belongs to. So we are storing the category of the channel that this video belongs to in this v_cat. So once we do that, we can make a query by saying suggested equal to the video, because we also send a query to the video model. So video.object dot filter in underscore category underscore name. So what we are simply saying here is, in our model where we have a video file model which has a relationship with the channel, because each video belongs to a channel, and this channel has a relationship with the category, which is the category model. So we are accessing the channel and the category that this channel belongs to, and we want to get the name. So we want to set the equals to, we are featuring for videos that belongs to that category, and we are featuring with the v. Alright, so if we do it like this, it will actually give us all the videos that are in that category of channel, including the current video that we are watching. So we don't want the current video that we are watching to be part of the suggested video, because we are already watching it, so it shouldn't be among the suggested video. So for that reason, we are going to exclude it. So Django comes with an exclude clause also, which you can use to exclude. We exclude where video is .video. I know the naming is kind of kind of confusing. We are accessing the video this time. Remember, this query set is actually communicating with the video file model, and in the video file model we have a video feed, which is a video file currently we are watching. So we are querying with this video file, and we are checking, we are excluding the video file that has this video object. That's this video object, which is the object that we got from the get object of 44 dot video, which is the video feed. Alright, so we want to exclude that, so it will give us the others excluding the one we are currently watching. Alright, so this suggested video now we can pass into our context. Alright, so that's that. So we can head to our template. Let's head to where we have suggested video. Alright, this is where we have our suggested video. You can see each card, which we have the flexible. So we're going to take out theory. We just need one to loop over, so we leave just this one. So we're going to create a for loop around this. Let's just give it a variable name from sub video. So in here we can bring in our feed. So first we get the thumbnail, which we're going to call the sub video. Alright, this will give us the thumbnail of the video, and here we have the title. Alright, so we're getting the title, and let's check for that phase. We need the channel name also, so we can also get the channel name dot name. Alright, this will give us the channel name for the video, and also here we have the view count. For now, let's leave this. We'll come back to this later on. Then save this also. Alright, so video details, let's refresh and see. Alright, you can see we are getting our recommended video. You can see the recommended video is displaying beside. Alright, dummy test video 2. This is also the same video coming from the same channel, which is a good thing, so that your viewers can actually see your other videos also from you, followed by videos that belongs to channels that are in the same category with you. Alright, so we are getting our recommended videos, which is fine. Okay, we can just simply display also the view count for each of the videos. That is very simple to do. Here where we have our view count, in between here we can just get that also. So for us to get that, we say this suggested video, which is the video has a relationship with the view count model, which is the count. So we have a related name called view underscore count. So we can say latest video underscore dot view underscore count dot count, because we are counting them. Alright, so that will give us all the views for each video. So if we save this now and we head back to our video display page and just refresh, you can see we are getting each views for each of the videos. Also the date stamp, you can also get that also from our model. Alright, you can do that. So for now we are going to quickly rush and do the comment section. Alright, so let's quickly handle and process this comment section. So for all that, we have to create our comment model. So head back to our model file. So we're going to create a simple model where we're going to store our comments, which is also going to have a kind of a relationship with the video and the users that are providing the comments. So we're going to say comments or video comments, and this is going to have the comments comment feed. I think it's going to be a test, and also it's going to have a relationship with the video. That's for that. And also we need the user that is creating the comment. We're going to say the user, also model dot foreign key. Okay, those are the 3 feeds. And lastly, we should have the timestamp here, when the comment was created, so we can say created at. So we just create a mistaken safe, and also we're going to return save.user.u. Alright, so that's for that, and then if there's any other method we'll come back to it later. So let's save this and make migration. So quit our server, and here we're going. Alright, so let's start our server again and simply register this model in our admin so that we can see it in our admin panel. So see site.register, and we need to import it also. So here we are going to call it comments. Alright, first we head over to the watch.html. so we need to actually convert this comment test area to a form. Alright, so we quickly do that now. So what next? We pass in up next we pass in our CFRS token. So what we're going to do, we're going to create a very simple view that's going to handle this form. So head over, we can create a simple function called comment or video comment, and name you want. You can choose any name you want. It's going to take in request, and secondly it's going to take in the video ID so we can know the video we want to comment on. So first we check if the request is post. They want to grab the comments from the post, which is equals to request.post. Alright, this will give us our comment. Then once we get our comment, also we need the user, which is the request.user, the user that is currently logged in. So we need to get the video, so we get the video that we want to comment. Object.get underscore ID. Alright, so once we have the video, we can check if create a very simple validation to make sure that our comment input box is not empty. So we check if the comment is not null. We want to create a comment. We call create a variable called create comment, video comment, which is the model of the comment. I believe we know. So let's quickly import this now. Alright, so we have our video comment here that we query for, and the user equivalent to the request.user. Lastly, here the comment is equivalent to the comment from the input box. Alright, so once we have this, we can save and copy the comments to our database, and then we can return a redirecting back to the video watch. And then passing the arguments, the video ID. So what we're actually saying here, we're redirecting to this view, to this URL. And remember, in this URL we pass in the UID, which is a video with the name video underscore ID. Alright, that's how we are getting video underscore id equals to the video underscore id that is coming from. Login required decorator, not just here alone. In subscribe view, user needs to be logged in. For user to subscribe, needs to be logged in. Here also, we also want to redirect back to the, so you can just push in the redirect back a bit. So once it saves it, we definitely redirect back to this watch page. So if there's also any error, it will redirect back to this watch page. Alright, so that's that. So let's head to our URLs file, and here we're going to create a simple URL for it. I'm going to call it comment slash, remember we are passing an ID slug, which is a UUID. Alright, so this gives us our URL, so we can get this out of our way. Okay, so let's double check and make sure we are having no errors. So the URL is going to use the video ID, which we'll get from my videos and link. So we can say video ID is equals to my video. Alright, so that should give us the URL to process our form. We can check if our server is running. Our server is running, that's fine. And lastly, we are going to display the comments of each of the users, where we have display comments here. This is where we are going to display comments. So let's just do that now, so we can just test all once. So we can take out these three and just use just this one. Just get it from our already existing video queries by saying for comments in my video. If you check our model, I think we created a related, we use a related name which we called comments. Don't forget that. Alright, so once we get that, we don't forget to end for also. And then first we have the channel that is commenting, or the username. So I believe we can just use the username here of the user that is actually commenting by saying the person that is commenting. And then in here where we have the actual comment, can just take this out. Here we can have comment, take the comment, and then lastly the timestamp. We can just bring that in by saying comment dot created at, then we can put the time since operator. Yeah, that's that. Then the user that is here, we don't have a profile picture yet. So if you set a profile picture in yours, you can do that. But for now, we're going to use a kind of a dummy. Alright, so that's that. So if we save this now and check if our server is still up and running, then if we refresh our page, and if you scroll down, currently there's no comment because no one has commented. So let me be the first to comment, say comment test. Hopefully there's no error. if we hit it comment, alright, we are getting an error integrated error at user underscore comment. Oh, I get it. We have an error here. We forget to set the auto, sorry, the auto underscore add now equals to true. Quit our server and quickly make migration. Alright, so make a migration. We can head back to our video page and let's just test our comment again.
In this video, I'll show you how to create a CSS hamburger.
Here we can see our comment is not properly displayed, so let's quickly check. But it's working because we can get a comment actually displaying here, but we are not getting the values. Sorry, we are getting an error here. I say for commit in comment, so that was my fault. So it's a syntax error. That's why we are not getting anything like that. Alright, I think that should fix it now. So if we save and we head back and just refresh, we should have our comment displayed. You can see the test user 2. It said 1 minute. And don't forget to put the echo at the back of your time. Alright, that's that. Alright, you can see our comment is actually working. We can get our comment, just that now we don't have a profile picture or profile image, so we can't actually get that. But we can actually create and check if this user has a channel which displays channel's image. We can do that here, but that is not an issue. You can fix that yourself. The most important thing is that we can actually write our comment and submit our comment. And now you can see that when we submit our comment, it's refresh the page, which is not a good user experience. So to avoid that, you can use Ajax also to handle that. It's a very simple process, just the same way we use Ajax. You can also follow the same method and also apply that to yours. Alright, so for that, we'll be ending this video here. We are able to display similar videos, and also we're able to get our comment form working and displaying our comment. Alright, that's for that. So see you guys in our next video.